As the Rwanda culture, when you visit someone in their house, they're the one to welcome you to the buffet. So if you would allow me to ask Ben to lead the way so they can serve yourself.
Okay.
All right.
The women can eat first?
No, that's not how it works. Here,
it's different?
here, the guests first. So your people first, then we'll come after.
Okay, all right, no worries.
Can we wait for us and small?
Yeah, let's wait for small.
The bathroom. Okay.
No, small.
He's on the way.
Outside.
He's on the way. All right.
Can we,
hey,
Alpha, can you get small?
All right.
Can you get small? Yeah.
So, as we're waiting for him, is he here?
I think he's here.
There he goes.
Hey!
We're the champ.
See my brother.
Ash small. Kagarara yagize ibyago kubera pole sana.
My brother.
Man, you living the dream, man. What's up,
my brother?
How you doing, twin?
This is my daughter.
How you doing?
Luna.
Everything good?
She's 1.5.
Oh, really? They were telling me more about your story, saying that you now have your wife in all of your videos. I love that.
Oh, really? Yeah, two videos.
I love that, man.
Oh, man. Okay. Somebody help me with the room, please. Okay. Thank you for coming.
Bro, it's a pleasure to be here, bro. Beautiful home. Beautiful home.
Cha.
We get Kitoko. Hey, can you stand up, please?
Hey, Kitoko, yeah.
Kitoko, he's the biggest
Artist, yeah.
Afro
beats artist, yeah.
Afro artist we have in our
Afro
Very
beat?
big, yeah. Very big, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Literally everything we're doing, we kind of got it from him.
Yeah,
Oh, really?
Yeah, sure.
Like Kitoko, big time dude, big time dude, big time dude.
been there
And all these guys, amazing people, journalists, bloggers, amazing people, media people, and I couldn't thank you enough for being here. This means a lot. Thanks for coming.
Blessings, my brother. Blessings.
It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright.
Thank you, bro. This means a lot. Thank you so much, and we hope you enjoy the rest of the night.
Thank you. Thanks for having me. If I can use the bathroom really quick. I ain't want to ask out of turn, but...
Wonder. You know how to use your feelings to quite connect.
That's why this.
And I said that because I'm coming back for sure.
That's the why I asked you how you feel.
Yeah.
Back on your roots.
Oh, I'm coming.
You look like Rwanda.
Yeah, thank you. Really? Really?
He said I look
Rwanda.
You
so much on
Really?
They